Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Determining and Handling Unknown Excel File Formats with Python Pandas. Introduction. Working with Excel files is a common task in data analysis and manipulation, and the Pandas library in Python is a powerful tool for handling tabular data. However, sometimes you may encounter Excel files with unknown or ambiguous formats, making it challenging to read them using conventional methods. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to handle situations where the Excel file format cannot be determined using Python and Pandas, along with practical examples. Pandas provides the pd.read_excel function to read Excel files. However, when the file format is unknown or cannot be determined, this function may raise an error. To handle this, we can use a try-except block. If the pd.read_excel method fails, we can try using pd.excelfile to gain more control over the Excel file. This allows us to inspect the available sheets and handle different formats accordingly. If the Excel file contains multiple sheets with different formats, you may need to iterate through them and handle each sheet accordingly. Handling unknown Excel file formats in Python with Pandas involves using try-except blocks, exploring pd.excelfile for better control, and iterating through sheets if necessary. By following these steps, you can enhance your ability to work with diverse Excel files in a robust and flexible manner. ChatGPT.